How to make a completely free website. So website includes a domain name and a hosting platform which you need to pay a subscription for both of your domain name and your hosting provider. But there are few websites that offers you to create your WordPress website without being worrying about paying subscription for your domain name and for your hosting. Today I have this platform which is called Pantheon. So Pantheon offers you to create a free website on your WordPress. So it's pretty much straightforward. I also have made a complete step-by-step in-depth video on the channel. You can also search for it. So you just need to click on login and sign up with your account. So as of for now, I have created this WordPress site just by using Pantheon, which is built by using Pantheon AI. So I just given a prompt to Pantheon built in AI and it has generated a beautiful looking website for me, just like you can see on your screen. Second is Canva. Now Canva is also a free website builder. You can simply search for website, and once you search for it, there are hundreds of templates that you can go with. Paid subscription, you also have paid templates, and most of you will going to go with a free, so you just need to select the free website builder. So in this case, let's go for a simple landing page. So I will simply click on this one and click on customize this template. This is also going to be showing me some more templates which I can simply customize according to my will. But for now, let's click on customize this template as an example. And as you can see, I can adjust my text, my images, and all of that stuff. I can also click on add page and create a new page. Now once it's time to upload your website, it's also pretty much straightforward. You just gonna need to click on publish website top right corner, and you just need to click on publish website. You can also adjust some settings, but if I click on publish website, as you can see, this is going to take few seconds, and there you have it. If I click on view website, as you can see, this is my own website, which is of course going to be with the canva.com in the domain name, but at least it's giving us a free hosting which we can use to create our own personal website. So hope this helped. This is how you can create free websites without paying anything.